Now gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.
So you need a little break, huh? Boy, say you need a little space, yeah. Boy, is it cause you can't be faithful? Boy, hope she's cool, unlike you. You ain't ready for a girlfriend, no. Cause you think I'll steal your weekends, no. So you make up shitty reasons for want it out. See, I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me at 10 when you're 2? I can't help but feel sympathetic, I do. You think you're bad, boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're...
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Child, excuse me, I don't know why I chose to wear black, but this whole look was just giving me black, red lip vibes. You guys know, usually when I throw on a black shirt, I feel like I need to have a red lip. So I apologize, but y'all, the hair is literally right here, okay? I hope you guys can see it. I can see it, but I'm hoping it's gonna come off on camera, or if I need to brighten it, I don't know. But this was just the vibe I was getting, honey. And I have to go with the vibe that I was getting, okay? I just do. All right, y'all, so let me go ahead and get into this video. So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by SUNBERHAIR. Shout out to you, Sunber. Sunber, you have been coming through with the come through, boo. Okay, you have been coming through with the come through. Shout out to you, Sunber, okay? So the unit that I am rocking is a 13x4 deep wave wig, and they sent me 24 inches. Okay, so on the site, it says Sunber classic hairstyle, deep wave, 13x4 lace front wig, pre-plucked with baby hair. And it does come in 14 to 26 inches. As I stated, they did say that they sent me 24 inches. So as far as the description, it says the item is the same name as the same thing as the name of the hair. It says 100% virgin hair, can be dyed and ironed by your favor. Hair color, natural color. The hair grade is medium luster, bleach/dye friendly. Hair length is 14-24 inches, very soft, healthy, and thick. Lace style is 13x4. Lace frontal. Cap size is 22 to 22.5 inches, which is basically an average cap size. I do want to go ahead and state that, in my opinion, this unit is definitely big head friendly. I did have to adjust the straps, and even with me adjusting the straps, I feel like I need to adjust it a little more. I am an average cap size, honey, so do with that what you want to do with that, because I only got the head that's on my shoulder. Now, honey, literally this unit came pre-tweezed like this, okay? I did not tweeze this unit whatsoever. I was going to, and then I was like, girl, for why? For what? It is already pre-tweezed. Like, she woke up like this. Okay, she woke up like this. Now, I did bleach it. I didn't show that because I have been showing that a lot recently, and I feel like I may need to do something a little more detailed with that, like maybe with me actually talking, but I have been showing it a lot lately, but I didn't show it in this video because I didn't really feel like it was necessary. Does this unit have to be bleached? I did feel like the knots were pretty dark or whatever, but I think you can get away with not bleaching this unit. Like, I feel like this unit is very, very big head. I mean, not big head. I feel like this unit is very, very beginner friendly, as in you can use like some sort of spray, or, you know, it's so many different methods that you can use when it comes to knots and stuff. But I am on a bleaching kick, so I did personally decide to bleach this hair. But honey, that's pretty up to you, honey. It's your wig, girl, okay? As I say, this unit is a deep wave unit, and it said that Fumi curls, I think. Maybe I imagined that. I thought I did, but it is a deep wave unit. I did decide to curl it because I recently did a deep wave, and I kind of want to offer you guys some versatility. So sometimes I'll wand curl the unit, and I always wand curl it with a very, very small curling iron, and just use it as a wand curl, and it basically gives me that desired effect that I actually stole from my little cousin Ashley, who always wand curls, or she used to wand curl her natural hair, and I feel like it gives that same sort of effect. It makes it look more natural, in my personal opinion. So yeah, that's what I did, and yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this unit. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons with this wig, then please continue to watch. Okay, so we'll start with the cons, because you guys know I like to end on a high note. And my one and only con with this unit is the same that is usually pretty common these days, is that when it's a wig that I can't think of no cons, okay? Is the fact that it's a 13x4, meaning, you know, it stops right here. So it's not a whole lot I can do with it. Like, you can part over here, but there's wealth right there. You get what I'm saying? You can't go all the way back like you can here. And even with me going all the way back there, I had to bring some hair out, and you still may can see it, just so it wouldn't show like the weft. So that is the only con that I have with this wig, and that is like a typical con for me when it comes to 13x4 units. Alright, honey, so the pros with this wig, honey, are basically endless. I love the texture of this wig. I love the versatility that the texture of this unit offers, where you can wear it as a deep wave unit, or you can curl it like I did, and you kind of get that more natural sort of look. So it kind of gives you the vibe of having like a yaki textured unit. I love that for me, okay? I also love the fact that this unit definitely came pre-tweezed to perfection, in my opinion. Like, I love that, because I am not the best tweezer. So yeah, those are my pros with this particular unit. I personally would definitely recommend this unit. Maybe not to somebody that's beginner friendly, just in case they're a little iffy with the knots, because, you know, you're gonna have to definitely play with the knots to get that full seamless look. But definitely to someone that's just like, you know, maybe a novice, not super beginner, but you know, still sort of a novice at doing this, and you trying to branch out, I would definitely recommend this unit, because it doesn't require tweezing whatsoever. And to me, that is the hardest part, okay? I don't know about anybody else, but that was always the hardest part for me. It may not be for you, but, you know, for people that struggle with tweezing, this unit is perfection. Plus, it's a wavy unit. So I didn't have to curl it, I just did. You don't have to do that. You can literally run your fingers through it, add some water and some mousse, and call it daces, okay? So that is always a plus. So it makes it more beginner friendly, in my opinion, than not. So yes, I would recommend this wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. And I hope you guys can see it in the back with this black shirt. This is it in the back. I'm gonna stand it up. And yeah, you can see it a little better. So that's where it hits me. And this is it on the right side. And y'all just look at that. Look at that. So yeah, y'all. Once again, shout out to you, Sunber. Like I said, you've been coming through with the come through, sis. I appreciate you so much. If you guys are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Sunber. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you lovers next time. Bye.
I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of